OBS Studio plugins can add extra features and tools that aren't included in the default installation. In this video, I'll show you how to install and use OBS Studio plugins. First, close OBS Studio completely before installing a plugin. This helps prevent installation or loading problems. Next, download the plugin from a trusted source and make sure it matches your operating system and OBS Studio version. Many plugins provide separate installers for Windows, macOS, or Linux, so choose the correct version for your system. After downloading the plugin, run the installer and follow the instructions on screen. Some plugins may ask you to select the OBS Studio installation folder. If that happens, make sure the correct OBS installation directory is selected. Once the installation is complete, open OBS Studio again. Depending on the plugin, you may see a new filter, source, dock, transition, or other feature. For example, if the plugin adds a new filter, select an audio or video source, open Filters, click the plus icon, and look for the new plugin option.